Okay, so we're fishing here, and again it's a lot of wind, so I don't know how this audio is gonna be. I put a microphone with a wind cover, and I hope so that helps or work. For now, we're fishing here at the river. We're gonna fish for a few minutes. Sorry for the view. I just kind of moved. Again, someone left the garbage. We pick it up. Kids are giving me a hand here. Oscar is fishing with us. Son is fishing with us. Wish us the best of the luck, and then hopefully we can get something. And again, the wind is terrible today. We're in the middle of the day, and then yeah, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch a fish pretty soon for you guys. I got one, guys. Yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Oh, I'm just tripping with a line here. Hold on, guys. I don't know what it is.
I will cover them.
Thank you.
Probably it's an eater. Does it seem like an eater?
I don't know. Just watch the net in there, but
Yeah.
it's kicking. The drag is pretty loose. I don't want it to get. Oh, it's a Sturgeon. Hold on, buddy. I think it's the line. The baby Sturgeon. Son is gonna give me a hand. This drag is annoying. Leave it in the water there, and then we're just gonna release.
Delicate fish. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Just gonna let it go right away, but
I see it run.
yeah. See you, buddy. Thank you. Whoa. Nice. He's gone. Sweet. Cool. Let's have a, yeah, he has a fish. He has a fish. Oh, we need a bigger.
I have a fish.
Yeah, good job, Sonny. Oscar. Keep reeling, Oscar. Keep reeling. You're done. It's okay. A fish. Let's see what it is. Still fighting or no?
Doesn't look like it.
Does look.
No, yeah, it's good.
Okay, go, Oscar. Keep going. Good job, Oscar.
Yeah, it is a fish. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a fish.
Okay, good job.
Hopefully it's a first sturgeon.
I hope so.
I hope it's a pike. Yeah, it's fighting.
Is it fighting? Keep reeling.
Nope.
No, you lost it. Okay. It's probably a goldeye, buddy, that is biting it.
I hate goldeye.
But we'll cast it again. There we go. Got it. Pass me the bell. Keep reeling, keep reeling.
Yeah, that's a
Sonny
fish.
has one.
Oh yeah, that's a
Sonny have one.
Can you, Oscar, you can net it.
Pass me the net.
That is a
No, pass me the net.
sturgeon.
It's probably Sturgeon, you're right.
Probably.
Okay, I'll give him a
Just as I
hand.
say, I barely have any bites.
This time I got the net because last time I lost one good one, and I don't want that happen today again.
I don't really care as long. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, this one's
Tiring. We'll figure it out.
This is a really stubborn fish.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a sturgeon.
it is. Make sure it doesn't go in the weeds. Good job, Sonny.
I'm making
Again, I hope so the audio works because the wind is terrible. Who, you? No.
dude.
Hold on. You have to give them a chance. Is he coming?
He's really. This might be my PB sturgeon.
Maybe.
If it is a sturgeon.
Oh, muddy.
Yeah, it's a sturgeon. It's moving.
It is? Okay. Just bring it here. Oh, bring it here. Oh, shit. I suck in this. Okay.
But that might be her smallest piece.
It's a small one. Hold on, Sonny. I'm all wrapped, Sonny. Sorry.
Here,
You see, went to the wrong way of the net. Okay.
Oh, he's.
Yeah.
We're just gonna figure out how to get this guy.
Yeah. Just put it in the net. There.
Not my piece.
There. So if you can start reeling so I can get off of the line.
I see it.
Yeah, okay.
This is.
You wanna deal with it or you need a hand? Okay.
I want to see how it feels.
Okay. Make sure you need the gloves. We have the gloves. Oh, Son is gonna release his sturgeon. Little sturgeon. Good job, Sunny. Water is muddy and then he's gone. Good job, buddy. Boom. That's awesome. Now we're waiting for Oscar.
I hear somebody.
We're waiting for you. You wanna grab the net, guys? Pass me the sandwich. Sorry, but that was a good.
I'm trying to eat a sandwich here.
I'll just put it back in here.
They're not enjoying it.
Just hold on, Sunny.
So the instructions.
Coming back.
Probably they're not gonna bite. They're just annoying me.
Probably. So definitely the fish are biting, guys? But it's just, I think their goal line. And here's my fear again, right? Like if I set up the small rig, then we're gonna lose the freaking big sturgeon if we get one, eh? That's how it goes.
Probably Oscar might lose the big TV sturgeon.
But we'll see. And also maybe can get at Oscar his first goal line. We'll figure it out. Okay, I got a fish. See, Oscar? You see the difference?
I'm going deep in the water.
Okay, no, nobody. Hold on. He's coming. He's coming towards me. Hold on. Sorry.
I don't care if I lose the fish.
Can you double check if I'm recording, guys?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Sorry. That's a bigger one.
How large?
I don't know. It's a bigger one for sure. Oh, stupid.
Is it tiring even for you?
No, it's just this reel is, it doesn't lock really well. Just don't want it to get it in the rocks. Got it? What is it? There you go. Got it? Perfect. Thank you.
Oh yeah, keep them in the water.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, these ones.
You just got entangled up.
Oh, it's okay. These are barbless hooks.
Okay, can I hold them?
Yeah, hold on. No, I'll release them. Oh, you got one, City. No, it's gone. Shoot. Sorry, guys. Here's the thing. Let's go. Yeah, hurry, hurry.
Oh, he feels exactly like it.
Okay, let's release it.
Oh, he has something in his mouth.
The worm. He can keep it. Oscar, Sonny. Okay, hold on. Sorry, buddy. My bad, sorry. You just have a big bite, buddy. It's still on. Set the hook, buddy. Got it? Reel it.
I don't know.
You reel it? Don't worry about the bell. You got one? I don't know. He flew out.
Yeah, he's gone.
He's gone?
No, he's gone.
Okay. Good job, Sonny. Double here. Let's find that bell. If not, that's okay. You need the net, you think? Keep reeling, buddy. The weeds, eh?
No, this guy's just really...
Okay, watch out, Oscar.
Oscar, watch out. He's like...
Oscar. Keep reeling, bud. Good job. You need the net? Yeah. Okay. What is it? No way. You got one. That's awesome. Here, I told you you're gonna get a goalie. Okay. Good job, Oscar. Sonny got a goalie. That's the buggers that they've been teaching us all day. So Oscar is set up with a small rig. Unfortunately, that I don't like it, but we're doing that just so he can get his first goalie. Sonny already has his own, so let's recast his bait in there and see. Let's see. Oh my God. Do I have one?
Yeah, that's right. But you don't have it now. They're biting.
I think he took it. I think so. Well, it's only one way to find out. got one. I think I got one. And this is a big one because
It jumped.
it's pulling. Jump. We missed the jump. I saw it, but not on the video. This is a big one. It's pulling. It's pulling. I don't want it to go on the run. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. It's coming, swimming towards me. Keep an eye, Sonny. He's pulling, hold on. Wonder if he got stuck somewhere there. Yeah, there we go. He got off. I lose it. No, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, Sonny. Got it? Ah, nice. Good job, Sonny. Thank you. I think I lost the weights.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because I got snagged in the rocks. Okay. Oscar had a bite there.
Ooh,
Oh no, still good. Nice. Another beautiful one. We're gonna release it.
okay, for some reason it's a
That's okay. I'm gonna let it go. There you go. Awesome. It's going. Good job. Whew. I was scared. I thought I lost it. That was a good fight there with that sturgeon. Let's see Oscar. They're been nibbling his, but I don't think he got anything. Real. And don't stop. Don't stop. Anyway, so we'll wait and see. Sonny hasn't had a bite yet, but they're active. 20 minutes, no single bite. Again, that's not our garbage, but we're gonna take it with us. Just that is us, but anyways, you know the story in this place. People leave garbage. But Oscar is the most active with bites, but he cannot hook the fish. I haven't get a fish in 20 minutes, and Sonny probably in about 40 minutes. So we're gonna give it a few minutes, otherwise we're gonna have to go home. And then look at, he got a bite in there. Yeah. Let's see if he can hook it. They're goal-eye, eh? That's the problem, they just come and steal the worms. And they don't commit to bite. But let's keep an eye.
when I'm fully distracted is when they
Oscar, you really? Come on, this is yours. Yeah, this is a big one, but this is a big one. Come on, no, here, here. Shit.
Ready?
Yeah, here.
Yes!
I'm
yes,
holding you.
yes.
I'll let you reel that one.
Huh?
I'll let him reel it. Keep reeling, but it's heavy. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Hold it really good. Watch out, Sonny. Did he jump?
Yes, that's
Oh, okay.
him!
Okay, keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Yes!
Keep reeling.
I hope this was... Hey,
Keep reeling.
it's nasty, guys.
Keep reeling.
Sonny, will he jump?
Be careful. Be careful. It's fighting.
Fighting good.
Okay, let me hold your hand. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You keep reeling, buddy.
Yes,
He's fighting.
it's good. It's a nice one. Let's see it.
Keep reeling, Oscar. Keep reeling. Good job. The wind is terrible, guys. Okay, keep reeling. Keep reeling, Oscar. Sonny, careful in there. Got him? Got him?
It's
Nice.
a baby one.
Okay, hold on, Oscar. Hold on, Oscar. Come here. That's the second one. Okay, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, shoot. Hold on, Oscar. That's a sturgeon, so. Yeah.
But either way,
Okay.
I'm just wondering, did that count as Oscar sturgeon or does
No, hold on.
This is
Just hold on. Hold on. You just real slow back because it's a really thin line, buddy. So, Sonny, that one don't mess around. You have to net it right away. He got a small rig.
This is a massive one.
It's the same. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, this is really muddy water.
Yeah, just careful. Keep reeling, buddy. Keep reeling, keep reeling. I'm just kind of holding your rod.
Real sturgeon.
Keep reeling, bud.
Real guy. Yeah, he's a real one. He's
Yeah, hold on, hold on.
Either way. Oh, nice one.
Nice. Good job.
First sturgeon.
Put it in the fishing rod again. Put it in the fishing rod. Yeah, hold on. Don't pull more line because your brother, okay? That's pretty awesome. Oh, Mr. Oscar got his first sturgeon. I give it a chance to reel one because he bite my line, and by doing that, right away he got another bite in his rod, and then yeah, you know the story. It's gonna be in the video. So that's pretty awesome. So we got a few minutes more and fish, and then we're gonna have to head out. Time is running out, so hopefully we can catch another couple more. So we'll see. Oscar has another one.
Actually,
You really? Yeah, you got one. I don't know. He wasn't getting any luck,
Oh, yeah.
but now he got it.
I think it is. I think it's
Keep reeling.
just a baby.
Just careful with the thing so you don't flip. Keep reeling.
Maybe.
It's up to you. Keep reeling.
I hope I can. Probably a sturgeon.
Yeah, it's a small fish.
Yeah,
And keep reeling.
ready that fast.
Yeah. Don't go so fast, right? Because you got a thin line. Is it a fish? Oh, goal line. His first goal line. Keep reeling, buddy. There we go. Those are the buggers that they've been still in our,
Thank you, Sonny.
been still in our bait.
Can I eat him? No.
It's up to you guys. I don't.
I want to eat him. I can fillet him.
Anyways,
I need to.
so that's
Oh yeah,
Oscar.
I see the baby.
yeah. Careful with the teeth.
The shark.
Those are the meaning ones that they've been stealing. Careful because it's slippery and flappy.
Like,
Anyway, so I have a fish, and yeah. Yeah, I got something. Got something, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm recording. We got something. Yeah.
we keep him?
Oh, it's another baby sturgeon there.
We keep him or no?
It's up to you guys. I just got a baby sturgeon. Sorry, buddy. I'm just taking it for a ride. This is a tiny, tiny one. Sonny's gonna get it right away.
Dad,
There we go.
I gave him more water. Yeah, that's a perfect. Double.
Anyway, so we got double headers, Oscar and I.
Are you releasing him? I'm just giving him water.
Let's see now. This is the baby one. Tiny baby one. I'm gonna let it go right away. Oh, good job, Oscar. It's his first goal line. Baby one. He didn't make it. And look at Sonny. Whoa! That's the key. He's strong. Anyway, oops. Careful. Anyways, we say 10 more minutes. We got 8 minutes. We got 2 fish on the timer. So this is our last cast. So we're gonna pack right away soon. So stay tuned. We only have about 4 more minutes of fishing. As you can see, guys, we went around the place here and we kind of clean up whatever we can see. Garbage is in there, and as you can see, that's all we can collect from our place. We left it better than it was. Thank you to these guys to help me. Thank you to Oscar for helping me. Good job, guys. 4 more minutes. Hopefully we can get a bite. If not, I think we're okay. We'll come back another time for a full day, but for now we just came for a couple hours, and even with the wind we managed to cut a few, so that's pretty exciting. Anyways, let's see, and hopefully this is not a good bite. All right, so seems like I just had a bite, but for Oscar I don't know. But anyways, let's wait and we're gonna start packing up. 2 more minutes. Yeah, that's a fish. That's another sturgeon, and that's probably gonna be the last one of the day. A beautiful one. Hopefully we can get another one. see. Let's see. Oh, he just sunk in there. Oh, it's a Sturgeon. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a bigger one. I think that's gonna be the biggest one of the day. Okay, oh Sonny, where is it? Good job. Good netting, buddy. Still a baby one, but it's a beautiful one. Let's get this untangled, and then Sonny had a bite in there. I just released my Sturgeon. He got me in the leg and in the hands. So holy, I'm all beat up. I got a good fight today with the Sturgeons, I guess. Usually I got pants and boots, but this time I just came in sandals. And anyway, so I'm done. I'm just gonna start packing myself the stuff in here while the guy's waiting for his bite. So stay tuned in a minute and see if I can catch another fish before we go. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be for today's video. I hope so you guys enjoy. The wind's still blowing. Let's move this in. So let me move the microphone, sorry guys. So the battery is gonna die soon, so thank you for watching guys. Hopefully we can get a good video with this, and I hope so this microphone helps. If not, we'll find out with the recording in the video. Guys, you wanna say bye before the camera die? Bye. They keep that one didn't make it, so it's pretty small, but they wanna try to fillet it. But anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.